Let's board the bus. Behind these guys. And by the way, I'm going to shoot on Blackmagic camera for this video, which I'm making for Ubara. Okay, let's go in. So I'm going to that underwater observatory where you can see fishes and maybe turtles in their natural habitat. So it's just about seeing whatever you can at that time. Yeah. So let's see how it goes. Okay. We will get off at the next bus stop. And I think we'll take a tunnel. That looks cool. Oh, maybe it's okay. I don't know. You guys can tell me. Too dark. Anyway. Okay, so I am backtracking a little bit and going to Ubara Risokyo. Hello. So I tried filming on there's a big truck coming on Blackmagic app, the camera, but I think I still need to understand the shutter. Yeah. This was my first attempt at trying to film on Blackmagic, but don't think it's going that well. So I came back to the basic camera and shooting in ultra wide mode. Yeah. So let's see how this goes. And well, anyway, this is a beautiful day, and hence this is possible. So I'm going to check the route here before continuing. So please give me a second. Another tunnel. So I am back on track. In the distance, maybe you can see the sea, but anyway, we will be drawing closer in a few moments. Okay, let me say hi to the nice lady. Konnichiwa. Konnichiwa. Okay. So nice weather. Nice weather. So I think, yeah, that's the sea there, and then we will take a left somewhere at the end. I think it's time to again check the map. Well, explanation time. So I'm filming on my cell phone, as you all know, so I have to go back and forth between checking the route, whether I'm going in the right direction, and filming. But this is exciting. It's fine. For now, this is my go-to thing, and as you can see, I have invested in these Boya Mini, which are giving good audio, if I may. Yeah. So until I can upgrade with something else, but for now this is doing well. And so let's keep continuing making videos with this setup. Hopefully I can do a bit better in the editing department. I'm so bad. Actually, I'm lazy. But anyway, yeah. So yeah, I'm trying my hand at VN, Victor November VN. So let's see how that goes in editing. Anyway, 2 videos coming up, Katsuura and Ubara. So happy. Usually I don't have content, but other than me just speaking, time to show you the view. Ooh, sugoi. There's a tori. Oh, people are surfing. Yeah. Man, I think I will stay with this setup than the black magic. I don't know why, because man, this is giving such good colors. Beautiful. This is my first time seeing a gate in the sea. It's not that further in, it's quite on the beach, but still, it's in the sea. Okay, I think then we are going to go over there to that observatory. So for now, let's keep going. Wow, those are pro surfers. Man, this will make for a good video, decent video, something nice. Yeah, I'm glad I came whenever I did today to Katsuura and then here. And I'm glad I took the bus than wait for the train and waste time. Okay, so here we go. Some people are going crazy over this gate. And why not, right? And I'm going to try my hand at some photos with my S24 Ultra. Holy cow, amazing. Nice, nice, nice. Decent waves, nothing high, not too high. Decent, pretty decent. I've zoomed in a bit, just 2 times, and amazing, nice. They're waiting there for the next wave. Well, there was another beach, Ohara. Ohara had big waves, but I saw it last year when I was there for another festival. But look at these guys now; they are ready to take that wave. Amazing, nice, super, 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 super. Whoa, a lot of them over there. There we go, there we go. Nice, nice. Look at these 3 guys. Nice. Whoa. Hiina. Subarashi. Sugoi. And this gentleman is getting ready to enter. All right, that's it. Let's move on. Let's move on. Okay, let's go in that direction. Okay, ja. I'm going to turn my video off here and then carry on. Okay, so let's keep walking here and Japan happening all around. Beautiful, beautiful landscape, beautiful people, beautiful roads, everything so well kept. And that is why I love being where I am in this nation. People being responsible for whatever they use, the roads, the land, ultimate respect to the land by not littering it. That is what I expect in a human being. Not just doing well in their own chosen career, but taking care of the land wherever you stand is your number 1 responsibility and duty. And again, not in just your country, but wherever you go, have to behave like the Japanese do. Take care of the land wherever you stand. Simple. Just plain and simple. Okay, sorry if I'm breathing too hard or That was the tunnel we took, and now we will go right here, take another tunnel. Okay, time to look at the map. Quick look. Okay, so we are here at the marine park, and this is a restaurant, also a toilet, which is nice. So let's take the ticket. And well, there is another restaurant over there, but I think I will just go to the observatory, take a ticket, go to the observatory and under the water, and then eat something. What say? Let's do it. This is the price. Adult, $8.50. If you are, or you have your kids who are in elementary or middle school, $4.30, and over 4 years old, $200. So I'll be here anyway. Hiina Matsuri. Hiina. Sugoi. Sugoi. Hiina. So beautiful. So beautiful. Okay, time to buy a ticket. See you later. Okay, on our way to that thing there. Isn't it beautiful, or isn't it beautiful? Boy, 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 these waves. The small beach. Amazing. My first time coming to Katsuura Marine Park. That's it, I think, or Marine Park Observatory. Yeah, something like that. Yeah, but Katsuura Marine Park for sure. And you can sit here, probably. Yeah. Oh, and there, a gazebo, right? I think, yeah. Anyway, toilet, which I don't feel like using right now, but on my way, back. Beautiful place, and not many people. It is a Saturday today, but not many people. So do we go here? Coaches, ticket. Okay. Arimasu. Okay, Riguchi, nice. Okay, let's go in here. And some pictures of the place we just visited. Tomisaki Jinja. Hiina. Katsuura. Fish market and all. Oh, this is how we can see the fishes in their natural habitat from below. Okay. Ooh, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Some pictures that they have clicked. Amazing, amazing. Nice. Ooh. Nothing. Oh, fossil. Wow. Oh, amazing. This is going to be interesting. What do you think? That's a fugu fish over there, the blue one. This one, I don't know. Anyway, nice art. Let's keep going to the observatory. Somebody's scuba diving down there, and there's another person there. Amazing. I just happened to see to my right, and there were these people. My God. See another head bobbing there? Are they looking for fish, or most likely, or I don't know what. This guy, nice, nice, nice. Amazing. Let's continue. Amazing. I mean, even the entry fee is not that much, not more than 1,000 or not even 1,000, so which is good. So that is where we are headed. We'll go under the sea, not just stay at the top. And from below the sea, there are windows, as you saw in the pictures, and we will be able to see some fish. But it depends on what fish shows up, right? It's the time of the day, their mood, and all those things, right? So let's see. But anyway, all this here is free. You can come here anytime, enjoy this, and you don't even have to enter that, right? So all you spend is to just visit the place. But then that goes for every place, right? I think I should have turned on my noise cancellation. What say? Yeah, maybe I've goofed up a lot because of the noise. Right? So let's see if I can later on my way back. Anyway, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful waves. Beautiful. So let's go a little bit slowly. Okay, we are inside and a spiral staircase leading downstairs. Hiina, Hiina. Ikimashouka. Let's go. Beautiful. Wow, quite a ways downstairs, and there you can see some windows coming in view. Boy, oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. We have the opportunity to of different windows. Ah, there you go. One fish already. Let's see a second. Another fish there. Look at that. Look at this one. He's posing. They are posing as if they are liking the attention. Whoa. Beautiful. Beautiful. Look at this one. Man, I'm loving this. It's pretty choppy, right? Fish are just moving here and there because of the water current. Amazing, amazing. Oh, if you stay at one window long enough, you'll be seeing a variety of fishes, right? Look at this guy, as he knows I'm shooting. Look at that guy. Wow, big one, big one. Small one. Who goes? Man. This is fun. Spot the fish, right? Something like that. Well, let's move. The probability of seeing these fishes here, I mean, anywhere, not just this window, but anywhere. Oh, there you go, there he goes. Or he goes or she goes. Ah, there. Wow. You can see the reef down below. Or some seaweed, probably, not the reef, but the seaweed. Ah, here is one guy. Wow. Boy. Ah, this is fun. Whoa. Look at this. Look at these guys. Amazing. Look at that. You have to come here to enjoy this. Look at this. Ooh. Wow. Nice timing. You know. Ooh. I think he's going to come into view here. There you go. There we go. Whoa. So many people. Oh, he's coming here. I zoomed in a little bit. Look at these guys. Okay. Man, you should come here at least once. Or in different seasons to see whatever you can see. I think that was a puffer fish, which blows up. Like not literally, but which blows. Ah, look at this guy. Puffer? Puffer? In Japanese, it's called fugu. Ooh, beauty. Beauty. Oh, oh, there's a shoal of fish there. I just moved. School of fish? Shoal of fish? No idea. Anyway, fish. Or or fishes. Ah, by the way, fish and fishes, the plural, right? Sometimes in English we make this mistake. But I did, and I'm not sure, please don't quote me on this one, but if it's the same species, we say fish for plural fish. But if it's there are different types of species, then we say fishes. Does that make any sense? But it's what I found when I googled the difference between fish and fishes. When do we use fish? When do we use fishes? But I think you wouldn't be wrong if you said fishes. Either way. So now let's go up. This has been a long video. Let's go up though. Okay. Well, I don't feel like going, but let's go up. We have seen quite a bit. Okay, so let's go back up. This was nice. Beautiful place. Somebody coming down, but anyway, we can go up from the right side. Some people are showing up now. Few more. The kids are having a nice time down there. Well, I stayed a bit longer to take some more photos, uh, and it was worth it. But anyway, oh wow, place to sit. More people coming. Why not? It's a nice day, good weather. More kids coming. Okay, so we are out here. ありがとうございました。いや、let's see. Oh wow, beautiful. Beautiful place. And that is where we saw some scuba divers searching for something. Fishes or something. Hiina Matsuri everywhere. You know. Okay. Beautiful waves. Beautiful, beautiful. Ah, that's the Katsuura lighthouse in the distance. Let me. There you go, Katsuura lighthouse. Okay, let's go out. He's pulling something up. What would that be? What may that be? Ah, look at that. Whoa. Whoa. Some kind of squid? Squid? That was good timing. Don't know what it is. It is something. Nice. Arigatou gozaimasu. Yeah, okay, let's go. Beautiful day, beautiful day, beautiful day. Okay, that guy there fishing something out. Okay, let's go. So now let's head to that cafe or this cafe. That or this or that. So let's see. Anyway, I love these rock formations. Amazing rock formations. And I think there is a hiking trail nearby which you can hike. Ah, I see people there. Let me zoom in. Do you see people there, right there? That's a trail. That's a trail. Let's eat something and go there. What say? Let's go. Okay, let's continue. And now I will take you to the one of those cafes. Okay, guys, see you later. So we are going to hike. That road leads somewhere. I cannot really make out these kanjis, but anyway, the one at the bottom which shows this way is the hiking course. So we are going to go that way. And let me zoom you guys out a little bit. Okay, this is more like it. So I was sitting, beautiful. Is that a house or a restaurant? I think it's a restaurant. Beautiful, beautiful. So I was sitting in another restaurant where I showed the photo of my food that I ate, which was delicious. And another indicator, hiking course. Hi. So I was charging my phone there, but that charger is shit. And hence, that road is blocked over there. So cannot go any further. But here, mysterious. Wow. Is this locked over there? One way to find out. Oh, amazing. Have to be careful. Have to be careful. So I don't have much battery in this phone anymore, only 39%, because that charger wasn't able to charge fast. So I have to try another charger which I have at home and see if I can carry that one with me while traveling. But this one is not good. So anyway, wow, interesting. This is interesting. I have to watch where I'm walking, not much light. And I hope that's not the gate, because that one is closed. I hope the path leads to the right. Yeah. Yes, it does. So I'm going to keep this short. I will be recording in bits and pieces and then join it, of course, but out we come. Okay. I was seeing this from the other end. Okay, the trail continues. So that is where we were a while ago. That is the observatory. And we took a video, some photos from there, also from below. So I have to watch my step on these stairs. Rocky, beautiful stairs. Okay, I slipped a little. Okay, so what can I talk about? A while ago, I think, in this very video I spoke about the cleanliness that defines Japan. Yeah, Japan and cleanliness go hand in hand. Hi. Konnichiwa. Yeah, so hence I chose to live in this nation. And I'm still working on my permanent residency, which will take a while, a few more years. I will complete 4 years this April. So I don't know why I didn't really decide to talk about myself here, but this trail, I don't know why, but I just think this is a good time to just tell a little bit about myself. So my plans, where I stand with Japan, and I want to get old here, live with my family if they can join me, whenever they can, not if, but when they can. So it all depends on me in the end. So here, beautiful spot up there, let's go up there. So yeah, so I'm working on my work visa every year. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful spot. Beautiful. Few people there, a couple there, and they have of course reached from that path over there. So yeah, well, need to wear proper shoes. Okay, wasn't really expecting this hike, but yeah. Beautiful, beautiful. So yeah, right now I'm renewing my visa every year. In short, I will just say this, that every year I am renewing my visa until I get the PR, which is 5-6 years down the line. Still some time, but that's fine. I'm going to work on improving my Japanese this year, especially give the JLPT Nihongo Noryoku Shiken exams and get better paying jobs, not just in the educational field but other fields as well. So I'm going to take a small shortcut. Yeah, katamichi. すみません、近道です。近道。はい、OK。じゃあ、on the path, and let's keep going to that spot there. Okay, let's give this couple a wide berth. Okay, and keep going here. こんにちは。Okay, じゃあ。Let's go here. Wow, these are a bit slippery because of the beach, right? All the sand is here. Yeah. So let's, oh wow, nice gazebo to eat. Shade, beautiful. Amazing. いいな。これはまた来ますよ。また来ますわ。I will be back. ね。Why not, right? Look at that. Just look at that. Marvelous, beautiful. すごいじゃん。すごいナイス。Picnic. Beautiful. It is very beautiful. Okay, let's go up there from where that guy came down, I think. Let's see. Okay. Beautiful, simply beautiful. And this is a Jizo statue. Oh, Jizo-san. Ja, let's go up here. Yeah, these shoes are okay, but because this is sandy, hiking shoes. Okay, ja, okay. So, oh, slippery sand. Oh, so ja, shall we bring the? Yeah, you know. Okay, that's the observatory, and a little further down is the lighthouse, where I haven't been yet. Another time. Okay, zoom out. Time for a picture. Hi. So now I'm going to walk to Ubara station, which is a good, I think, 8 minutes from here. Yeah, and then I will wait there around 20 minutes for my train to take me to Oami. Yeah, there will be a change at Katsuura, which is okay, but that's my plan. And I think I will stop filming once I reach Ubara station, because my phone needs fuel and I need a drink, preferably cold, because I am overheating. Konnichiwa. Okay, nice tunnel. I like these tunnels all over Katsuura and Ubara. Oh, bikes. So yes, I won't be talking for long now, because as I said, my cell phone needs juice. Yeah. So yeah, let me just go to the station and do some recording there, and then that's it, and then back to Oami. Oh, tripped over there. All right, see you soon. So we are at Ubara Eki. Eki means station, Ubara station. JP Post, Yubin Kyoku. And there's an ATM here, which is nice. Usually the post offices have ATM. JP Bank's ATM. So the entrance is over there, but I think... Whoa, ice cream. I do have time. Why not? Let's see the station first, if they have an ice cream machine there. I think I am goofing up somewhere, because the entrance is behind, I think. And I have somehow missed it. Yeah. Which is very common with me. Very common. Yep. So somewhere where I should have taken the left, I didn't and kept walking. So yeah. Fun. Bike. Someday I'll buy one. Yeah, I think take a right here. How can I miss that? Or no, or yes, or no. Oh, it's from here. Kana? Hey. Ah, katta. Soko ka. There is a bridge there. I missed the bridge somehow, which I usually do. Anyway, back and forth. Okay. So this bridge. How should I take that bridge? So is it from the station, from the post office? I have to go from the post office. Okay, soka. Let's buy the ice cream, and then thank you very much for watching. This is Ubara station, and I'm going to take this bridge. Somehow I will figure it. I think I have to go in that post office back there. There's also a bank, and then take this bridge, go to Katsuura. All right, see you guys in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.